Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be setting up my October budget with the new washi from Simply Gilded that I just received. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go over to my October budget. I already took out the Happy Planner Savvy Saver divider. That's all I'm using from that planner now. It's just the divider, and then the rest of the pages are my own. If you're interested in like the main monthly budget page, then that is available in my Etsy shop. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and glue my calendar to the back of, or I'm not gonna glue it, I'm just gonna clip it together. So when I turn and flip, it'll just go right to my monthly calendar instead of half of the Happy Planners. So I'm gonna just get a little ollie clip, keep those pages together, and as usual, this is just kind of like a decorate with me because what I'm doing is mostly self-explanatory. But if you're a newbie and you have questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. But for right now, I'm just going to set up my monthly calendar and just decorate the monthly in my budget planner for the month of October. So I'll go ahead and turn you guys. Oh, actually, before I do that, I have to show you what all I am using, because the best part is the washi, duh. So let me show you guys the runner-up stack, because I have two stacks of washi that I was debating between whether I wanted to use for October. So let me show you the runner-up. So this is the runner-up stack that I was going to use. It's more of a darker theme. This is part of the new washi that I got from Simply Gilded. Not all of it is Simply Gilded. So this haunted house one is Simply Gilded. And I'll do a haul soon of everything that I got from Simply Gilded's fall release. But yeah, these two right here, the melanin and the drip, is from Cookie Sticker Co. And then all the rest of this, except this one, is Simply Gilded. This one is just something I've had in my stash for a couple of years now from either Michael's, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you can get it still, but I doubt it since it's so old. But this is the darker themed, and I was going off of this haunted house washi from Simply Gilded. I didn't know if I wanted to do this one or the pastel one, so ultimately, of course, I went with the pastel one because it was just giving me all the vibes. So this is what we're actually gonna go with. So, and I was again going off of this pastel haunted house. So again, this melanin and drip washi is Cookie Sticker Co. And then all the rest of this is Simply Gilded. So this is the washi stack for October. I'm so excited to use this. Once I saw Simply Gilded's fall release, I was like, yes. I pushed back all of my October budget videos in order to use this washi. So I'm using these three mild liners and of course my trusty dusty N75 Tombow. What is under my nail? Oh, lotion. So those three, and then I'm using these stickers. I'm going to use this color and this pink color. I'm not going to be able to put all of this color down, of course, because I'm running out and I don't have another sheet of this. So I will need to print another one off screen and then like finish up my calendar off screen. But that is what I'm going to be using. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. mature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Tonight I'm in it for the big fun. This time I'm bringing out the big guns. Bang bang, they wonder can I get some? What I got's for everyone. Yeah, sit down and get to know the sofa. Stand up when it's taking over. Come here if you was getting sober. What I got's for everyone. Yeah. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me. A galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your
was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body.